Welcome to Bullman Built RC if you've never been here before, and welcome back if you have. Today is a Mailbox Monday. If you've never seen this before, Mailbox Monday is where I open up all the things that I've gotten in the last week or so, and I show you. So here we go. First up, I got a little tip on Facebook that said the green slime that everyone uses, that Associated sells, basically is just this stuff here. Let's see, got that. So this stuff is called Nolene SF-3 High Performance Suspension Grease. But you open this up, and that is legitimately about as green slime as it can be. This was $10, I think, plus like $5 shipping. For, I believe this is 2 ounces, something along those lines. Yeah, 2 ounces. So 2 ounces for $10 versus whatever the hell Associated charges for theirs. I'm going to use it and see if it works. I've been going through a lot of it when I've been rebuilding all my shocks and stuff, so that will come in very handy. And I am super glad that whoever that I saw on Facebook mentioned it. So, next! I bought a couple mega bags from Team KNK. I do like all their hardware. The owner is one of my RC friend guys, whatever you want to call it, has done a lot for me and has actually taught me a lot of things. So I went ahead and I needed some more hardware and I wanted it a little more laid out. I have just a box over there that's just everything everywhere. I went ahead and got 2 because if you've not been here for a while, I am impatient. I don't like waiting for things, so I want all the hardware already on hand, ready to go. So I bought this one a couple months ago for my 6. This is all 4mm hardware. I haven't gotten a chance to actually lay this all out yet and detail up the jazz on the lid, but that is what that is. I got this little container. I don't know. I think I got this one from Jason when I bought all this stuff, but this has, it's like 4x40mm and everything. So that helped me custom build a few things on my SCX6. Now, as far as today's haul, this is, wow, that box is flammable. So we have 3mm button heads all the way up to here. Then we have cap head all the way up to here. And then I also bought 2 spacer kits from him. So we've got, let's see, this kind of coincides. So you got 3x4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. In the button heads, and then it starts all back over with the cap heads. So now I have some spacers as well in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 9mm. Lots of lock nuts, some 3mm washers, and just some regular hex nuts. So I got that, and then also in the same pack, you get the flathead hardware for countersunk holes, like so, like that jazz right there. And then I've got that all the way 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 20, 25, 30. They also include 2mm hardware. So I have 2x6 and 2x8 in button head and 2x6, 8, and 10 in cap head. Then we also have some of these little tiny number 2 washers. And this is all empty. I'm not 100% sure what I'll do with that, but it wouldn't all fit in one. And then, I had extra. So I got that. If you need any hardware, KNK is definitely a source that you can use. Great prices, has a really nice product, and Mike and Amberly are great people. So support them if you can. One of the things people say is, oh, I can buy this whenever, la da da da. If you get some of that little Amazon hardware in a 2mm, good luck even having a hex inside that for your driver. That's all I'm going to say. Good product here. And they send you stickers. Next! Now we have a little bubble mailer, which coincidentally, I also have another. So Jordan and I are building some leaf spring trucks. So we each got the leaf spring shoulder bolts. That way they actually, go through the leaf springs and do things instead of flopping around everywhere. And then I also got the Black Dino propane tank. This thing is freaking heavy. But I got this for the same reason. Jesus, I think this is like solid aluminum. Come on, you piece of shit. Holy cow, that's heavy. Anywho, listen to this. That thing is heavy. Stickers as usual. So now my leaf spring project can go a little further. Golly, I'm gonna have to put a bunch of something somewhere to offset that. All right. Next. So if you remember, I bought a bunch of bodies and stuff from somebody. Well, they're still coming in. So this is another box of bodies that I bought. We'll carefully cut this, not to go too deep. Your mom complains when I go too deep. Okay, so immediately pulling this out of the package, someone else is going to be awful upset because I bought a 1991 Ford Mustang that fits custom SCT trucks. What I received is a Nova 2 body with what looks like, I think those are, let's see, here we go. Yeah. Yup, those are Mustang decals and window masks and stuff. So I've got all the Ford window masks and the Ford wing and the Ford decals and stuff, and a Nova Chevy 2 body. I'm sure most of you have bought bodies on eBay and you can never really see something clear in a clear bag in a picture very well. And I didn't even realize this wasn't the correct body. But it is what it is. I will, I don't know, probably sell it at the swap meet or something. I don't know. Nah, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Then we have the actual body that's supposed to be in here. A 2005 Ford Expedition LMT body with decal sheet. Didn't really want this. Just kind of threw a bid on it, and I won. So it is what it is. I've also been looking at LMTs, as we've discussed before. So I got this. Could definitely be a crawler body. This thing's actually kind of decent. It's got a short little back on it. It's huge wheel arches. I'm not upset about this, actually. That may end up getting used because that's actually kind of cool. I like that a lot, actually. Idea. Okay.
Light bulb.
Maybe I might use this on something else. Just got an idea. This is a cliffhanger for an SCX6. I did not need to buy this, and I bought it by accident. If you want to know the complete truth, I got the price of the K10 mixed up with the price of the cliffhanger. I thought they were both the price of the K10, so I bid accordingly. Thought I got a really good deal on this. Sent it to my buddy Jordan, and he was like, "That's retail, stupid." And I was like, "All right, cool." Luckily, I paid a little less than retail for it, and I mean like dollars less. And I combined shipping with all 4 of these bodies, so I don't know, maybe my dad wants it or something, I'm not sure, but I have that now. This thing I am stoked about. This is an early 50s sedan delivery body. Technically it's called an early 50s Chevy panel truck clear for solid axle monster trucks. What this really is the Gravedigger body, etc., etc. But you're just not buying the Gravedigger licensing and all that stuff. If you do like these, I would consider getting one if you see it, because they are not getting any more readily available. I'm super stoked about this. This is honestly probably just going to go in a box to keep up with some of my other really rarer. This is honestly probably going to go in a box with some of my other bodies that I never really planned on using. Just kind of want to have just to, just in case maybe. And I like having some of these things around. And I don't know, maybe it'll be worth more in the future because it's already worth twice as much as it was 3 years ago when I bought one when they were in the store. So that is that. That concludes Mailbox Monday. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're not already, because like 60% of you aren't subscribed. You just keep watching my shit and don't even subscribe to it. That doesn't make any sense because it says you keep coming back and you're return viewers, but yet you don't subscribe. So I don't know what you're doing, but go ahead and little ding dong, and then you'll get to see all sorts of cool stuff. And then also think about becoming a channel member. Once you do subscribe, you'll get to see videos a day early, and you'll get to see behind the scenes things that everybody else doesn't get to see. And sometimes, if you, depending on how I feel, you get to see things that nobody ever really sees. Just random stuff that I'm doing around here, stuff like that. So Make sure to check me out on Facebook groups, and Instagram, Bullman Built RC, across the board. And I will see you later. Bye! This kind of coincides. Okay, well, what is this? This is the goddamn dull day. Welcome to Mailbox Monday if you've never been here before, and welcome back if you have. Today we are going to open some things. Nope, that's not right. If you do like it, I would because they're not cheap, and they're not getting any more available. Yeah, if you do consider. Well, that's some bullshit. That's a Nova. It's not even a goddamn Mustang. What the fuck?